Hello guys, it's Samir Hussein. I'm fine and I hope you to be fine. This image that you are seeing right now is the last video that I posted on YouTube by the name of Dispersion Effect 2020 is the year. You can find and watch this video tutorial on YouTube. This is a very cool effect that you can apply on your own image. This was from the last night, but for today's video I'm going to show you what is Liquify, how we can use Liquify, not basic, advanced, what is that, what properties does it have, and anything more that is interesting for me I wanted to show you. This picture, this lady, it's Katy Perry. This is American sign up. Just let me play the last video, music video of this that I found on YouTube and go on. First we should select go to filter and liquify. Here you can see the shortcut is shift control X or shift command X on a Mac. Open that. Now you can see this is the window that we are seeing on opening liquify filter. Here is the options, the tools that we have. Here is the option of these tools that we would use on our image. The first one is forward warp tool. It's a smash tool. You can see which here with this is the smash tool that do the same thing. We can move a place of the picture to another place. I used this tool in the last video that I show you first. That was very cool. Just let me undo it. Now here is the option. What is size? Well, size is the size of the cursor. Here you can make it bigger or make it smaller. Pressure is the range of effect. If I lower the pressure, you can see it is not affecting too much. I should click too much time with this to be affected. If I move this all the way up, you can see by one click it move all things. But here this thingy, what is this thingy? You can see if I move it all the way to 0, you can see the things that is selecting or catching from the cursor is like a triangle, you can see here. But if I move this all the way up, you can see it is curved, it is like a circle here. This is the difference, and rate is, that's not important, but you can tweak that. This rate is for using light paints, paints on tablet or just light paint that have pressure sensitivity. And just let me make this. Now the next thing, this is rectangle coordinate tool. What does it do? Just let me make it a touch bigger. This undo what we did. Now you can see it is undoing what we did. You can use this tool here, or you can use restore all or reconstruct all things that we did. Now we missed it like this. With this we can make it for what it was first, or you can use restore all or reconstruct all. This tool is the same like that, but it is used for also making some edge crispy edges good. You can see it is not moving all that to the first position, it is moving part by part. It's different from that way. That one I don't use this often, but this one I think I didn't use this in any of my pictures. If you select this and move click on the picture, it will rotate the selection, the area clockwise angle. Now you can see it is rotating. I didn't use this on my photo projects, but maybe sometimes you would not need that. And these two are very useful, very useful. This one is for making things smaller, and this one is to making things bigger, something like this. What is, we can use this one if you are putting glass on her eyes. Now you can see magnifying glass. You should make eyes bigger to have magnifying eyes. Another thing what we can use with this tool is to build up muscle. Now you can see, if I don't have any picture that you show, if you have chest muscle, you can make them bigger, something like this, and paint shadow below that. That would be that seems that you are bodybuilding, but absolutely you are not bodybuilding. And another thing that I forgot to say is that this liquify effect is used to make caricatures. I will show you one day how we can make caricatures. That would be very fun. Just me replay the song. How we can make caricatures in Liquify. Now you can see it is made something like caricature of something like this. Let's make it touch bigger, of some small mode and this effect. This is a caricature. It's not professional, but it is. And what is this tool? You can see the effect that is applying here. Where is mouse cursor is not moving, something went wrong with my mouse. What is this? Just let me restore them all. If you move this up, the parts will move to the right, to the left. If I move this to the down, you can see it move all things to the right, and it is the same here. I'm moving mouse from up to down, you can see it is moving the picture from the left to right. If I move this from down to up, it will work opposite of what we did. I didn't use this, but it is a thing that you can use. And what is this? This is very handy tool like Arabs. What I can make. If I want to scratch these parts, but I don't want to this here be scratched like this, how I can make that? With this, we should freeze the area. You can see we paint the red color. I freeze this area, they don't be affected on effects that we are using. Just let me do this. Now you can see if I move them with warp tool, you can see these area are not affected. And how we can delete this red area? By this one below of that, you can slowly delete them very easily. This tool is very handy too. And what is this one? This is for making face better looks. This option is for high version of Photoshop, and you can see it detect all face professionally. Eyes, where is lips, where is nose, and where is the whole head. Now you can see it shows them all. Now you can see if you have 2 or 3 more heads in one picture, here would be written face 1, face 2 and face 3. And this is all things that we have. Eyes, you can open them also again, mouth and face shape. You can see this is the left eye and this is the right eye. You can make them bigger or smaller, it depends on you. If you change this, these would be together moved, you will have the same effect. Now it depends on you what effect that you want to achieve, something like this. It depends on you. Just let me make her lips a little bit bigger. Where is mouth? Smile. Now you can see it's smiling. And upper lip, just make a touch bigger, and lower lip a touch smaller. It depends on you what you want to achieve. Just let me make eyes a little bit bigger, something like this. It depends on you what effect that you want to achieve. And these two, this is hand for moving the picture. Just let me zoom it a touch. Now you can see we are moving or moving in the picture, and this is for zoom or unzoom. Now you can see if I select this area will be zoom, but just let me undo what I mean. If I select this area, now you can see the portion of this picture is selected. If I release that, the area will be zoom. Now this is for liquify this one. Now just let me undo what we did. We didn't save anything. Just let me go on this for this black document. Another thing that we can use from Liquify is to make the text better seem. Just let me write one letter. If text is open, just print maybe E. If just let me make it bigger, capitalize, and move it here. Make it bigger, something like this. Just let me search my computer if I have any picture that fit with this. Just let me find Galaxy Leon. Maybe Galaxy is cool. Just let me drag it here. Actually, I have 2 monitors because of that. It helped me too much. It is not doing something like this. No, just let me open this. Open with Photoshop. Now it will be open. Just let me make a copy of this and paste it here. Just let me create clipping mask to only affect this E. Just let me make E touch bigger. Now you can see what is behind the E letter. Something like this. Wow, it's too big. I don't want this size. This one. Because I release shift earlier than most, that happen. First we should release mouse, then alt key. Now it is what we did. You can go to filter, liquify, rasterize the layer first to have pixel not vector, and with this forward tool we can make everything that we want. Just let me make it smaller. I'm not sure what is going on with my mouse. This is what we can make with Liquify. And for this effect I have a full tutorial, the first video that I post on YouTube. You can search by how we can rain effect on Photoshop. I have a tutorial about that. This is effect that I made here, but that is a better effect that I achieved with Liquify for the letters here. Now you can go and watch that. Before that, going further, just subscribe, like, and ring the bell of my channel. That would help me too much. And this video and this picture, we can make this ice cream is leaking on this here. Now we just need two copy of these. This is effect. Just let me rename this white version, and this is the base. Go to Liquify filter and make a drops out of it. Now you can see if I make this, now you can see the sky is also leaking like this, but that is not important. But why? Because we can make that later with this. Now just let me make a drop shape, something like this, and another one here. I'm not sure what is going with my PC tonight. It's too slow. Just let me make it bigger. It is for smalling. I'm not sure what was for bigger. It's smalling. This one was for making things bigger. It absolutely makes it unseen. Just let me make with forward warp tool to make a drop. Another drop here. You can see the biscuit of the ice cream is also changed the shape, but we can make that in further steps. Just like this. Another one, maybe this one. Try scratch it like this. Maybe it's enough. Just let me unzoom. Yeah, that's enough. Just let me make another one for this, and here it is leaking, but it is not too much. We make that too much. Okay, just hit OK. Now you can see it is what we made, but you can see this is not what we want. We changed the shape of the biscuit of, I'm not sure it's biscuit or biscuit of the ice cream. We can make a mask layer for this and just paint the black color on this. Just let me choose soft round brush and just paint the black color on the mask. Is it black? Yes. Just the parts were gone. Now you can see this is, just let me make a hardness like this. This is what we wanted, and now we are achieving that. Another one was here. Easily we can delete the imperfections and unwanted areas that we made with Liquify effect. Just let me zoom it. That's much better. In here, no, not here. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was about what is Liquify, how we can use Liquify in our pictures, what does it do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and feel free for ask me anything that you want to know or understand, or you have mistakes, or you have questions from Photoshop. Just send me an email or leave a comment below my videos. Yeah, you have my Instagram account like in description. You can follow me on Instagram and see my others projects that I made. There are photo manipulations that I made. Just go and watch them. That what is cool, and I hope you that enjoy this video. Stay tuned for every night updated video, and see you on next day.